Welcome back to 50 Car. Some cars are fast, others are beautiful. But the 2026 Ferrari F80? It's a moving sculpture of adrenaline, an uncompromising symphony of raw power, Italian passion, and futuristic ambition. It doesn't ask for attention. It commands it with every growl and glint. Main features. The Ferrari F80 is Maranello's next-gen hypercar masterpiece, successor to the LaFerrari and spiritual heir to the Enzo. Built around a Formula One-inspired hybrid V8 drivetrain, carbon fiber monocoque, and bleeding-edge active aerodynamics, the F80 is Ferrari's boldest fusion of electric performance and ICE fury. With 1,050 horsepower and a sub 2.3-second 60 miles per hour time, it's not just evolution, it's revolution. Exterior design. The F80's design looks like a wind tunnel gave birth to a weapon. The low-slung nose is flanked by paper-thin matrix LED headlights, while the central carbon fiber spine runs from hood to tail. Its gaping air intakes feed the beast within, while the active rear wing adjusts on the fly. F1 style mirrors, butterfly doors, and sculpted side tunnels complete the drama. Pros: stunning aerodynamic mastery, exotic proportions, pure Ferrari DNA. Cons: low ground clearance, visibility may challenge daily use. Interior and dashboard design. Inside, the F80 is a carbon and Alcantara shrine to speed. The cockpit is minimalist yet aggressive. Digital displays wrap around the driver with customizable telemetry, performance data, and AR-assisted navigation. The steering wheel, borrowed from Ferrari's F1 car, controls almost everything. Pros: race-grade tech, lightweight construction, immersive digital interface. Cons: no infotainment for passengers, limited comfort beyond performance. Performance. The 3.9L twin-turbo V8 paired with a triple electric motor hybrid system generates 1,050 horsepower and 850 lb-ft of torque. With AWD grip, torque vectoring, and active dampers, the F80 rockets to 60 miles per hour in 2.2 seconds, topping out near 260 miles per hour. Pros: ridiculous speed, track-ready dynamics, hybrid brilliance. Cons: potential overheating in urban use, high maintenance costs, limited production may affect part availability. Market positioning. Priced around $3 million, the F80 targets elite collectors and extreme performance purists aged 35-65. Rivals include the McLaren Solus GT, Aston Martin Valkyrie, and Bugatti Bolide. Driving it feels less like transportation and more like time travel. You're not on the road, you're rewriting physics. Additional features. Ferrari offers tailor-made customization, carbon ceramic brakes, a telemetry app, 7-year maintenance, and full concierge support. There's even a dedicated racing suit crafted for F80 owners. Accessories are ultra-exclusive and ultra-expensive.